back, no help. I call you, government and the governor of Florida State to come and help me. As I dey here nowhere, now that my son they treat me. Now, no way to treat, no way to help for the family. Anyhow, try to come up and visit the family and see what we go do to carry my son back, because the landlady they call me say the street the store for Asaba.
Okay, wait. The landlady they call you for Asaba.
Yes.
So the spirits they worry them.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
So no gonna help me. No gonna help me. If I know see I go die. No gonna help me.
No go die. No go die. No go die.
No gonna help me. Government no gonna help me. Government no gonna help me. Whatever I do, no gonna help me now.
Honestly, it been 5 days of pain. Heartbrokenness. I have been down. I've been thinking. I've been asking myself questions. What really happened? How did this happen? The last job I did with Junior Pope was on the 8th of March. Before those jobs, I spoke with Ebuka Onoma, the director. I said, I am concerned that JP is not going high the way he's supposed to. He's not busy the way he's supposed to. That I really feel for this guy. And this guy is a humble guy. Humble to the core. That I will see what I will do. I will put all my effort to push him to get to the limelight. We started those jobs. It was 6 jobs in numbers that we did together. But not straight. We did it and we paused, then we continue. The last one was supposed to be when I am back from the United States. But something happened on the 8th of March. One of my artists that I called disappointed me. I still remember vividly. It was around 11:12. Around 11:12. I called Junior Pope. I said, "Bro, where are you?" I said, "It's not." I said, "Please, can you help me go finish a job? There's a job I'm doing and my artist disappointed me. Can you help me finish this job?" He asked me when. I said, "Today." He said, "Today?" That no, that's not possible. I begged him and begged him. He said, "Okay, see if you want me to do it, you have to pay me for this one, so that the other one I'm still owing you will be when you come back from America." I told him, "Bro, see, I don't have money on me. I didn't plan this thing, but I want you to do it for me. Instead, let me just add money for transport for you." Behold, he accepted and came to do that job for me. The money for transport I didn't give him after he finished that job. He left. It was about 2 days later when we were watching football match that he asked me for the money, which I later transferred to him. And I came for my vacation. These 6 jobs I'm talking to, I'm telling you, none has been released. I didn't just do that job for maybe for myself. I said I did it for him. So at least by the time I'm done releasing these jobs, coupled with other ones he was doing for people, that the value will increase. Because this guy is a jolly fellow. He's so humble. Then waking up that Wednesday morning, my phone was ringing, everybody was calling. I was like, what are you people saying? And finally, it was confirmed that Junior Pope is no more. Junior Pope is not from my state. I didn't know him from when I was growing up. It was in Asaba. I met him about 2009. And since then, we've been working together. I've been trying my best to make sure that things go well. Even the time I was kidnapped in my village, sometime 2021, he was one of my set. When I regained my freedom from the hands of the kidnappers, and I came back to my village, I called him to come, let's finish this job. He came. Not everybody would do it. He came down despite the fear of what happened, the trauma of what happened then. He still came down for me to finish that job. Honestly, I still find it difficult to believe. I can't sleep. I am not myself. Even though I'm not in Nigeria, I can't just believe that JP is no more. This life, there is nothing in this life, honestly. I just went back to our chat to read the last chat we had before I came down to America. Oh my God. JP, a loving fellow. You were so humble. May your soul rest in peace, Junior Pope. So JP, you will not post these 6 films. What a word. What a life. May your soul rest in peace. And for the others, the other 4 who lost their life too, may their soul rest in peace. And may their family be consoled. And for those who survived the incident, congratulations. Glory be to God. Afflictions shall never rise a second time. And I also want to plead, please, for Adam Maluk. Nobody is above mistakes. We all make mistakes as producers. Sometimes we neglect so many things. Please, let us forgive her. It was not intentional. Sometimes we do all these things. Believe me, that same river, people have been crossing it since that same day, going and coming. Please. Now we have learnt our lesson. It's so unfortunate that we learnt it the hard way. But please, let us pray for the families of the loved ones they left behind. JP, Olanti, Friday, Abigail, Precious, may your souls rest in peace.
Thank you so much for watching this video. For daily entertainment, news and celebrity good and bad updates and all you need to know that's happening in the country, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to always stay connected to us. One love and God bless you all. Don't forget to thumbs up to this video and comment down below what you think about this.